Hi class, today we'll be talking about unit conversions. Unit conversions can actually be pretty sweet. And that's because today we're going to be making Madeleine cookies.
Yay!
Yay! That's because my friend from France gave me a recipe. And the only problem though is that people in France use the metric system. The metric system has different units from our US system of units. For instance, they use meters while we use feet, they use we use pounds while they use kilograms, and so on. So it's really important to be able to know how to convert between these different units because that allows people to communicate with each other across the globe. So I was taking a look at our recipe. My friend said that we needed 100 grams of butter. But the problem is that when I went to the grocery store, they were only selling butter by the ounce. So we're going to have to learn how to convert butter from grams to ounces to be able to make our cookies. So, how do we convert units? What we can do is use something called the railroad track method. Basically what we do is we think about what units we have and what units we want to end up with. So we have grams, and we want to end up with ounces. So basically, what we can do is treat this sort of like a railroad. And with any railroad, we need railroad tracks. So in order to get from grams to ounces, I'm going to draw in some railroad tracks. We can think of ways to add railroad tracks, which are essentially just fractions that we're multiplying our starting units by. And the rule is that we can add as many railroad tracks as we need to get from grams to ounces, but each railroad track or each fraction needs to be equal to 1. So if we think about our specific case, we're starting with 100 grams, and we want to end up with ounces. So let's think about what railroad tracks we can use to multiply 100 grams by to get ounces. So luckily for us, when it comes to unit conversions, tracks come ready-made, and all we need to do is look at a reference table to look at how the units match up. So I looked on Google, and I found that 1 pound is equal to 450 grams. And 1 pound is also equal to 16 ounces. So, Melanie, can you help me out? What is a railroad track that we can add here?
Okay, you can make a fraction of 1 pound or 450 grams.
Yeah, that's right. Tobin, how about a second railroad track?
You can make a fraction of 16 ounces over 1 pound.
Uh-huh. And you guys are both right because each of these railroad tracks cancel out and they're equal to 1. And Irene, can you help me finish off this problem? We now need to cancel out the units and see if we end up with our final units of ounces.
The grams from the 100 and the 450 cancel out.
Uh-huh.
And the pounds from the 1 pound and the other 1 pound cancel out. And that leaves us with ounces.
That's right. And if we do the math and we crunch the numbers, we get 3.6 ounces. Awesome. Thanks, guys. Now we can go to the grocery store and get 3.6 ounces so we can make our cookies. So that's how we convert units. And in case you guys ever forget how to, convert these units, I made a song that you guys can use to remember. It goes like this. Sing along with me, guys. Just a centimeter, measurements far and wide. Took the train tracks going anywhere. Just feet and yards all along the football field. They took the train tracks going anywhere. Units converting up and down all the train tracks, canceling out all of the time. Don't stop converting. Hold on to the feeling.